Hello guys, I am Rian from Bitsec. Today I will solve the reverse challenge from IERAE CTF. So I downloaded the file. Here in here they give two flags, uh, two files, rotrotrot and flag dot encryption. Ignore the scripted file. Okay, if I file the rot file, so I can see here strip. It is stripped out before we click the OK. Basically, if I run this usage, it takes two inputs. First one is input file where a flag is kept, and output file is the after encrypting the input flag. This program puts the encrypted flag in the output file. Okay. So I opened this program in Vitra. We can see the entry and its function. It's the main function. I already saw this, and I this and these all are the error checks. Here's the here in this section we can see that the file has opened. The program opened the file, and here in this else section it feed the flag into the function, and after that they write in the second file. I can see that in here. I couldn't find it. Okay, let's after in going here we can see there's some for loop and in some functions that encrypt the flag. Okay, I debug these logics and here's some encryption level where up with the help of AI I made a script. Okay. Here is the binary form of the encrypted flag, and here is the script. You will find this in the description. So I took the binary format by with the Python. Okay, and when the file like and then after this here's the flag, the binary format of the flag. So I just took it from here. Okay, if I run the program, voila, here's the fact. Okay, thanks for watching.